Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Emily who lived on a farm with her family. She had a pet lamb named Lily, who she loved very much. One day, Emily decided that she wanted to take Lily to the market to get an ice cream sundae. Emily got dressed and put on her favorite pink dress, then went to the barn to get Lily. She found the lamb munching on a pile of hay, and gently took her by the leash. Together, they walked down the dirt path that led to the market. As they walked, Emily told Lily all about the delicious ice cream sundae that they were going to get. She described the creamy vanilla ice cream, the rich chocolate sauce, and the crunchy bits of nuts and sprinkles that would go on top. Lily's eyes grew wide with excitement as she listened to Emily's description. Finally, they arrived at the market. Emily led Lily through the crowded stalls, passing vendors selling fresh fruit, vegetables, and other treats. They finally found the ice cream stand, and Emily asked the ice cream man for 2 sundaes. The ice cream man scooped out 2 servings of creamy vanilla ice cream and placed them in bowls. Then, he drizzled them with thick chocolate sauce and sprinkled on some nuts and sprinkles. Emily and Lily took their sundaes and sat on a nearby bench to enjoy them. As they ate their ice cream, Emily and Lily watched the people passing by, enjoying the warm sun and the sights and sounds of the market. It was a perfect day, and they were having the best time together. When they had finished their sundaes, Emily and Lily walked back home, their bellies full and their hearts happy. They knew that they would always have special memories of their adventure to the market for ice cream.